everyone, so I want to talk to you a bit about Antonio Makes. Now, as you know, I have been sent some of his digital kits that he has. He's got some really nice digital kits. These are like the Imperial Indigo papers. He's got, you know, this is all the beautiful butterflies and stuff. You've seen me use these. As you can see, I've used a lot of these. You've seen me use quite a few of these in various different projects that I've done recently. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, they are stunning, these papers. They are actually stunning. So I'm just going to flick through while I talk to you. Basically, not only does he do these kits on his website, but he also does a VIP package. Now, the digital kits are quite affordable, and I think that it's probably best, unless you've got a really good high quality inkjet printer that is relatively inexpensive to print on, then I think it's probably best that you use a laser printer. If you don't have a laser printer, there are quite a few, you know, shops and places that do printing, you know, relatively low cost. If you think about what you'd normally pay for a pack of paper, and you can get them printed out there. And I personally think that the laser printed comes out way better. Just the quality of it is just beautiful, and there's a slight sheen on it as well. So yeah, so if you haven't got a laser printer, you don't want to afford, you know, you don't want to splash out on a laser printer, then I would look at shops in your area that do printing, because you will be able to find it, or online. I'm sure there's places online where you can get colour photos, you know, colour things printed out. However, he also does a VIP package, and so this VIP package that he does, it's for the year, and it costs £45 for the whole year. And in that, you get lots of things that other people don't necessarily get. So these are obviously the stuff that is open to everybody. This is the Happy to Haberdashery kit. But this pack here, which is called Flirty Flowers, this was the VIP kit for June, for people who are VIP subscribers. And so what you get, if you decide to go for the VIP package, you get an exclusive kit every month. So this, as I said, this is the one that the VIP people would have got in June. This is the Flirty Flowers. And this is not available to anybody else apart from VIPs. It's been designed exclusively for the VIP members. That's it. Okay, and so this, oh my days, I'm actually using this in my live stream, which will have gone up by the time this video goes up. So you'll see how beautiful these papers are. Oh my goodness gracious me. And the same with these, are just stunning. Really, 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 really stunning. And so, yeah, as I said, this was June's kit. And so now nobody can get this kit now. If you weren't a VIP, in June, you can't get this kit. Okay, this kit is gone. So it's just, how can you miss out on something like this? And so then July's kit, which obviously it's now July. This is July's kit, Monochrome Madness. So now for me, I love these. These are great. And for me, a bit of distress inks on these. Ooh, yes, please. Beautiful clocks. And if you like a bit of monochrome anyway, just beautiful. So this is all the Monochrome Madness. And again, as I said, I would lively mine up a little bit with an ink, or put a nice mat around the outside. But yeah, there's loads, and there's other bits in there. And so basically what you get for £45 for the year, which isn't too bad really, your subscription starts in the month that you make your first payment. So for example, you decide to start in August and you pay for your subscription in August, then that's when your subscription starts, and you will get that August kit. Okay, so as I said, this kit isn't on the website. It's only for VIPs. It's designed only for VIPs. You also get a 20% off code that you can use on all kits for 1 year. So that's really good. So you've got your VIP kit that nobody else has, but then you also get a 20% off code that you can use on the other kits that everybody has access to, but you get 20% off. So that is wonderful. And you get a nominated special promotion every month as well. And because of my code, which is Louise10, you can get the VIP package for just £40.50. So you can get 10% off. So instead of having to pay £45, you pay £40.50, which is even better. So yeah, so that's the kit. So I am going to put up some photos after this of some of the things I've made using this. This is the June kit, as I said, using these kits. But yes, I just wanted to let you know about it because, as I said, it seems like it's quite a good offer. And if you do have access to a laser printer, then this would definitely be something I would definitely go for, to be honest with you. So yeah, so that's all I've got for today, really. I just wanted to take you through. And obviously you can still use Louise 10 to get 10% off all the normal kits that are up already. I just love these butterflies so much. I've actually just made a card using these, which you'll see on my live stream. But it's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love these papers so much. I'm just using them so much. But yeah, so that's what you can do. So please, I will have I'll put up at the end of this. I'll try and put up on a blank screen all the different offers and stuff. The perks of having the VIP kit. But it's definitely worth doing. So head over to www.antoniomakes.com. Use my code Louise10 and you get 10% off your orders anyway, and you also get 10% off that VIP package. So yeah, so head over there and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.